Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a ClickBank affiliate account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing what we need to do is go head on over to clickbank.com. So yeah, head on over to clickbank.com, skip out of the pop-up if there's any and accept cookies. And now once we're on the official web page, we need to click on to where it says affiliates start here. And now once you do this, a pop-up should appear and it'll say, let's customize your ClickBank experience. Please select the primary reason you're signing up for an account below, or you can skip this quick start guide. It's totally up to you. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on OK. And click other. I'm just going to put in any random thing there. Click OK. Then from here, just a few more questions. Okay, let's go. What is the biggest factors motivating you to explore affiliate marketing? So I'm just going to put in extra income. Okay. Do you currently have traffic? Yes. And how do you plan on generating traffic? So put in which one best describes the way you're going to create traffic or get traffic. So for me, I'm just going to do YouTube and click OK. Select all the clickback tools you'd like to be interested in using, so hosting, none, email marketing tool, page builder, funnel builder. So you can choose as many as you like. I'm just going to do none here and then click OK. Which best describes why you selected none. I'm just going to say I don't see how these tools benefit me. And then how did you hear about ClickBank? I'm just going to put in Google and then hit enter. Last question, what email address would you like to use for this account? So I'm just going to put in my email address here, tutorialwiz. And then I'll show you a little stat here based on your answers. If you want to make your first sales in affiliate marketing in as little 7 days, we challenge you to follow these 7 simple steps used by nearly every successful affiliate on ClickBank in this training video. So you can go ahead and watch that video if you like. And then from there, go ahead and press enter. All right, once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page here where it says join ClickBank. Now from here, we need to choose a country. So I'm going to choose Australia. And then I want to put in my first name, last name, and then you got to jot in your phone number too and choose a strong password. And then if we scroll down here, you want to click on continues to terms and conditions. So I'm just going to fill out my phone number and password and click. Then I'm going to click on join ClickBank and also continue the terms and conditions and make sure that is checked. And make sure you satisfy their password requirements as well. And now I'm going to click on join ClickBank. Then you'll come to this page here and just say no thanks, continue to sign up. And then from here you'll be taken to this page here, and then as you can see there's a few pop-ups. So the first one on the right here, getting started on ClickBank as an affiliate. This guide will help you finish your account and start promoting products. So you can go ahead and fill this out. This takes about 5 minutes, and then I will say marked as completed as well. So you want to create an account nickname, so click here for help if you like, and then yeah, you got all these other steps here to help you become successful as a ClickBank and affiliate. And then this box here just says attention ClickBank sellers and affiliates, important to comply with an order issued so you can download the suppression list and accept. Yeah, so I suggest from there, after that, go ahead and click on complete my profile. So yeah, as it says here, please enter your official street address in full with accurate and up-to-date information. Once you complete your profile, our instant access verification check will review your identity and location details for approval. So yeah, just scroll down here, put in your address, your city, postcode, date of birth, and click save. And then the instant account verification check will review your identity and location details for that approval.